What's going on, fellas? I've got a 2006 Ford Explorer here, and I'm going to use this car to point out to you the location of the fuse for the horn, and talk to you about how the circuit works. So to start with, we're going to head under the hood. Now, the only fuse in the entire horn circuit is going to be this enormous 50 amp fuse. And if that fuse is blown, you're going to have a whole lot more wrong with this thing than the horn not working. This provides power to all sorts of circuits, including the horn. Now, the relay for the horn is actually integrated into what they call the smart junction box. And that's basically this whole piece right here. That's your smart junction box. So no easy way to service that. Now, if you want to test to see why your horn's not working, one real common factor is the clock spring breaking, or even the horn switch itself breaking. And you can test that. If you have a functioning clock spring and the horn switch is functioning as well, then when you push on the horn here, pin number 8 should be receiving a ground. So that's going to be that blue white wire. That's pin number 8. That should be grounded every time you hit the horn. And if you're not seeing a ground coming in through on there, you probably have a broken clock spring. Now, if you're seeing a ground here, or if you're providing a ground there and the horn relay is still not engaging, or your horn's not going off rather, you can't really directly test the relay, but you can check to see if the horn is getting voltage. So the horn itself, you're gonna have to drop this down. You know, there's a few clips and stuff holding this in, but the horn itself is gonna be back up in here. So there's actually 2 horns. They're both back there. And they've gotta be receiving a power and a ground. So if they're receiving both of those things and they're still not going off, then you can condemn the horn. If you're not seeing a power coming in through there on that, then you may want to check the wiring that goes in between the horn and the smart junction box. So yeah, I hope this was helpful for you guys. Please be sure to let me know if you have any questions, or more importantly, if you've got any advice about troubleshooting the horn on your Explorer. Thanks for watching.